Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll talk about scholarships and awards opportunities at Education University of Hong Kong. The Education University of Hong Kong aspires to raise its profile and impact locally, regionally and internationally through high quality scholarships. With generous donations from numerous donors, the university offers scholarships to give due recognition to the students who have demonstrated academic excellence and outstanding performance in other non-academic areas. There are various types of scholarships available at the university. Some are open for application from students and some are by nomination. Okay, so we'll take a look here. Open for application. After you will click here, then you will come to that page where they have mentioned different scholarships. Here you can see open for application. If you wish to search for a specific scholarship by its name, then click on the corresponding alphabet below with reference to first letter of the name of the scholarship. But here we can take a look here. This is AIA scholarship. It is for local students and undergraduate students. Here you can see local, non-local, undergraduate, postgraduate. Then our future scholarship is for local students, undergraduate, postgraduate, and Hong Kong Association University is for non-local students and local students, undergraduate, postgraduate. So you can take a look here, and if you want to see the details of the scholarship, then you can click on the Hong Kong International Institute of Educational Scholarship. This is the coverage of the scholarship, how much amount they are providing to the student who will win the scholarship. Students attending full-time part-time programs with the duration of 1 year are both eligible. Candidates should have strong interest in values education and open for application in September. So they have mentioned the deadlines and all the details here in that open for application. Here they will share the list of awardees and sharing. So yeah, that was all about the scholarship opportunities at Education University of Hong Kong. If you want to hear more about scholarship opportunities, then you can subscribe to our channel. I wish you best of luck and take care. Bye bye.